I'm going to show you how to make these gooey fudgy chocolate brownies with an M&M crunch. Did you know that M&Ms, or as NASA refers to them, candy-coated chocolates, flew on every Space Shuttle mission and are still a staple on the International Space Station? The history of chocolate in space traces back to Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin, who enjoyed a tube of chocolate sauce on his historic 1961 orbit of the Earth, and brownies in vacuum-sealed bags were enjoyed on the Apollo missions. M&Ms are described as the chocolate treat that melts in your mouth, not in your hand. Add to this the fact that they don't crumble, and you have the perfect floating playtime snack for astronauts to enjoy safely in microgravity. They have even been used to show basic principles of science for school lessons from space. To make these brownies you will need 175 grams of salted butter, 3 medium eggs, 300 grams of caster sugar, 150 grams of dark chocolate over 70% cocoa solids is best, 75 grams of plain flour, 40 grams of cocoa powder and 160 grams of M&Ms. First place the butter and broken up chocolate in a bowl and place it over a saucepan of simmering water, making sure the bowl does not touch the water. Stir until it has melted. Put it aside to cool. Put 3 eggs and the sugar into a large bowl and whip until creamy and light in colour. Gently fold in the cooled chocolate mixture, making sure not to lose any of the air that you whipped into the eggs. Sieve the cocoa and the flour and fold gently to combine all the ingredients. Add 100 grams of your M&Ms chopped up and stir through the mixture. Pour into a lined baking tray and top with the remaining 60 grams of M&Ms. Place into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Remove and allow to cool before cutting. I'm sure these gooey fudgy brownies are even tastier than those from the Apollo missions, but you can still make them in the name of science.